CB means common base, CE means common emitter, CC means common collector. ఏంటండి కామన్ బేస్, కామన్ ఎమిటర్, కామన్ కలెక్టర్? ఇన్ జనరల్ transistors mainly working as an amplifier. Amplifier means it is a device used to raise the strength of weak signal. Suppose మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాము, జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ in case of heavy audience, there are 1000 number of audience are there in a function hall. If we speak some words in a meeting or in any function that may not reach the large distance audience, in that situations just we are using a mic, mic. That mic is a device which can convert sound signal into electrical signal. That sound signal into electrical signal send చేస్తుంది, that will passes through the electric circuit, and also that electric circuit నుంచి signal will passes through the sound box. Sound box means speakers. Speaker is also a device once again that converts into electrical signal into once again sound signal. ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ డివైస్ ఉంది కదా, that electronic device it is used to raise the strength of weak signal into large signal, right? So the device that converts low voltage signal into high voltage signal is called as an amplifier. That means that amplifier circuit, in that amplifier circuit it is having some input. Input means a sound signal coming from our mouth. It is also having some output. Output means the waves, electrical energy or electrical waves can send it to the speakers. That is the output region. So in any electric device, one is input region, second one is output region, right? So in between input and output, suppose a transistor is used. For input and output, if the base is common, it is called common base. If emitter is common, it is called common emitter. If collector is common, it is called common collector. Now I will explain through the circuit diagrams also. So first one is transistor configurations. Transistor configurations. First one, CD means common base. CD configuration, common base configuration. And again, second one is common emitter, CE, common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration. And third one is common collector. CC configuration. Common collector configuration. These are the details. Common base configuration means base is common to both input and output. Okay? For example, let us consider this is a transistor. This is a transistor. Maybe it is PNP transistor. PNP transistor. This is emitter. It is base and this is collector. Suppose this is a base DC and this is common. Let the input is applied in between emitter and base. This is the input. Output is taken across collector and base. Observe it. ఇందులో which one is common to both input and output? Base is common. That's why it is called as the common base configuration. Common base configuration. Otherwise, on the base of the circuit diagram, this is a PNP transistor, you know, and this is a circuit symbol for PNP transistor. It is represented by diagram like this, and there are two inclined lines. Majority base. Suppose it is taken as emitter and this is taken as. Then how do you identify the symbol is for a PNP transistor? Depending on the dash of the arrow mark kept on the emitter line. Suppose it's the emitter line, arrow mark should be from emitter to base. It is called PNP. From base to emitter, NPN transistor. Okay now. Let here base is common. Also here the input is applied in between emitter and base, and output is taken across collector and base. This is all, and this is taken as the PNP transistor in case of CD mode, common base configuration. ఒకవేళ NPN అంటున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఆర్ మార్క్ ఇలా కాబట్టి ఇలా వస్తుంది అంతే. So therefore it is PNP transistor, just it is represented by like this. Next, in case of common emitter configuration, here emitter is common to both input and output. Let here, this is the PNP transistor. PNP transistor. PNP. Emitter, base, collector. ఇక్కడ ఇన్పుట్ దేని ఇవ్వాలి? ఇన్పుట్ ఈస్ అప్లైడ్ అక్రాస్ బేస్ అండ్ emitter. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ అక్రాస్ కలెక్టర్ అండ్ emitter. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవుట్పుట్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the common emitter configuration, because emitter is common to both input and output. Input is applied between base and emitter. Output is taken across collector and emitter, and symbolically it can be represented as it is a PNP transistor. Suppose it is a base, ఎట్లా indicate చేసుకోవచ్చు? This is one inclined line, this is the other inclined line. It is base. Suppose it is, this is the emitter and this is the. Let first of all it is PNP means line must be taken from emitter to base. Arrow should be placed on the emitter line and it is moving from emitter to base. Also here input is applied across base and emitter, and output is taken across. This is the output. Output is taken across collector and emitter. This is called as the common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration. And the third one is common collector configuration. Here collector is common to both input and output. Let this is. It is also PNP transistor, collector, base, emitter. Here input is applied between base and collector. Input is applied between base and collector, and output is taken across collector and emitter. Output is taken across collector and emitter. Symbolically, it is, this is base, collector, emitter, or collector is common to both input and output. This is the input region, and output is taken across collector and emitter. Output is taken across this. PNP copy compulsory arrow mark should be kept on the emitter. These are the circuit symbols corresponding to CB configuration, CE configuration, and CC configurations. CE and CC configurations. Suppose ఇక్కడ current gain in case of for common base configuration, it is represented by alpha. Current gain means it is the ratio between output current to input current. Voltage gain means it is the ratio between output voltage to input voltage. Power gain means ratio between output power to input power. So here చెప్పండి, current gain alpha is equal to output current. Output is taken through the conductor. This is represented by conductor current is IC by input is applied across emitter, that is IE. This is in case of DC, and a DC band is connected in between input region. Also DC output is taken across the conductor current. ఒకవేళ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ కరెంట్ ని అప్లై చేసినట్లయితే ఆల్ఫా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు సేమ్ డెల్టా IC బై డెల్టా IE ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ దీనిలో ఫస్ట్ వన్ కరెంట్ గెయిన్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు కరెంట్ గెయిన్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ C configuration is given by it is beta. Beta is equal to output current by input current. What is output current? C current means IC by input is base current, IC by ID. This is for DC, and if AC is taken, beta is equal to delta IC by delta ID. Small change in conductor current is small change in base current in case of AC. Next one, in case of common collector, the current gain is represented by gamma. Gamma is equal to output is equal to emitter, means IE by input is equal to IB. IE by IB in case of DC, or for AC, delta IE by delta IB. This is for AC, right? These are the formulas for current gains both CB configuration, CE configuration and CC configurations. Okay. Alani, how do you define voltage gain? Voltage gain is represented by AV. AV is the voltage gain. It is just nothing but the ratio of output voltage by input voltage. Output is gained across C and D, therefore it is represented by delta VCD. Potential difference across collector and base by potential difference across input means emitter and base, delta VB. Delta VCD by VBC. Base is round. Delta VBC by delta VB. Next, ikkada voltage gain in case of CE configuration. CE configuration is given by AV is equal to delta C current, delta IC by delta VCE by delta VB. ఇక్కడ కూడా delta VCB by delta VEB. సెకండ్ లో వచ్చేసి కామన్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని ఉపయోగించాలి. In case of CE configuration, AV is equal to delta VCE by delta VB. Next again, what is the power gain? In electrical circuits, power is equal to voltage into current. Voltage into current is called as the power. Similarly, power gain is equal to voltage gain into current gain. Voltage gain into power gain, current gain. Therefore, power gain is equal to alpha into AV. What is alpha? Delta IC by delta IE into AV is equal to delta VCB by delta VE. Delta IC by delta IE into delta VCB by delta VE. Again, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to formula లేదా R is equal to ఎంత అవుతుంది? V by I. V by I. Here delta VCB is equal. Delta VCB is equal to, this is delta VCB can be represented by I into R IH. Right here. 1 minute. So see here, in case of CV configuration, power gain is equal to delta IC by delta IE into delta VCB by delta VE, or this is equal delta IC by delta IE into V is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. VCB means VCB output. So this should be equivalent to output current. Output current means delta IC into output resistance is equal to R. Suppose this output resistance in the given circuit is equal to, maybe it is R, by delta VEB is equal. Delta VEB is also equal to VEB means input. Input current is equal to delta IE into input resistance is equal to R. So that is your delta outcome. Delta IC into delta IC square, delta IE square. So delta IC by delta IE is, what is it? Delta IC by delta IE means alpha. That means alpha square into R naught by alpha square into R naught by R. Right? Okay. So therefore, these are the formulas for power gain. What is the formula for power gain in case of CE configuration? For CE configuration, power gain is equal to current gain into voltage gain. Current gain is equal to formula beta into voltage gain is equal to delta VCE by delta VCE by delta VB. Delta VB. Or this is equal to beta into delta VCE is equal to delta VCE. Delta VCE means output current IC into R naught by delta VBE is equal to, in the input region, delta IB into RIB. Again, delta IC by delta IB equal to beta. That should be equal to beta square into R naught by beta square into R naught by R. Similarly, power gain is also calculated in case of common, right? Compulsory ఇక్కడ మనకు గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి అంటే, కరెంట్ గెయిన్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ సిబి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ IC by I. ఇవన్నీ గుర్తున్నా అవుట్పుట్ కరెంట్ కదా IC by I. ఫర్ CE కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ బీటా కూడా IC by I. చాలు రిమైనింగ్ అవే వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే. సో అర్థం దిస్ alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha is the current gain in case of CB configuration. Beta is the current gain in case of common divider configuration, and also gamma is the current gain in case of CC configurations. Practically, it is proved that the value of current gain alpha less than 1. Practically, its value lies between 0.9 to 0.9. And in case of CE configuration, the value of current gain should be lies in between 20 to 200 current gain. And third one, gamma just greater than 1. Just greater than 1. So, out of CB, CE and CC configuration, in which case current gain is maximum? CE configuration. So that's why common element configuration circuits are generally used in the electronic circuits, because in this case the current gain is maximum and compared to the reactance. In case of amplifiers or in case of any other devices, electronic devices, generally we are using common element mode. Remember this point. Next one, what is the relation between relation between alpha and beta. చెప్పండి. What is alpha formula? Alpha is equal to IC by IB and beta is equal to what is it? IC by IB. IC by. But in any transistor, you know, emitted current is nothing but the sum of collector current plus base current. IE is equal to IC plus I. Dividing this equation by ID on both sides. చెప్పండి. IE by ID is equal IC by IB plus ID by ID is equal. What is the value of IE by ID? Wait. Sorry. See here. Dividing both sides by IC on both sides. Suppose here IE by IC is equal IC by IC is equal to 1 plus this is IB by IC. What is IE by IC? IC by IE is equal to alpha. IE by IC is equal to 1 by alpha is equal to 1 plus IB by IC is equal IC by IB equal to beta, reverse 1 by 2. Right? From this 1 by beta is equal to what is it? 1 by alpha minus 1, or this is equal to 1 minus alpha by alpha, or then beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. This is the relation between current gain in CB configuration, current gain in CE configuration. Right? Thank you. My dear students, most of the problems in transistors are based on current gain, voltage gain, power gain. If you know or if you remember these formulas, CB, CE and CC configurations, the chapter is almost complete. Okay? So before we will learn the next topic or we will learn the next class, compulsory my request is do the sums, all these sums based on transistors without complicated circuits. That complicated circuits, some of the complicated circuits may be based on Kirchhoff laws. Okay na? ఆ కిర్చాఫ్ లాస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత వాటి గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని దే ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.